If you missed Micron's historic multi-bagger run because you were too busy chasing Nvidia, listen closely. The exact same wealth-building setup is repeating right now, but the bottleneck has completely shifted. In 2024, the smart money realized Nvidia's AI chips were useless without memory, sending Micron skyrocketing. Today, in mid-2026, big tech is pouring a jaw-dropping $725 billion into AI capital expenditures, an infrastructure spend 3 times larger than the Apollo program and Manhattan Project combined. Yet, this massive tidal wave of capital is slamming into a brutal physical ceiling. We are no longer chip-constrained, we are infrastructure-constrained. Global data center power demand will cross 1,000 terawatt-hours this year, meaning the next explosive gains won't come from the silicon, but from the gatekeepers solving the physical limits of the AI grid. If you want Micron-style returns, you need to own the infrastructure bottlenecks. We have identified 3 perfect stocks poised to capture this massive capital rotation. The first is an optical networking giant commanding the essential laser technology that stops next-gen clusters from literally melting under copper data loads. The second is a physical powerhouse, holding the keys to gigawatt-scale grid connections that tech giants are desperately trying to lease at any cost. And the third is a hyper-efficient software monetization beast operating at a stunning 84% margin, proving it can turn raw compute into pure cash flow. Stop fighting yesterday's war. Here are the 3 shadow gatekeepers of the 2026 AI supercycle. Let's begin with our first shadow gatekeeper, Coherent, trading under the ticker symbol COHR, which represents the undisputed king of the optical networking bottleneck. If you want to understand why this company represents an exceptional opportunity right now, look no further than the recent market correction. After rallying to an all-time high of $440, a broader sentiment reset across the AI infrastructure space dragged the stock down roughly 25% to around $317. But while the stock price experienced a temporary valuation recalibration, the underlying fundamentals did not skip a beat. Coherent is sitting on a record order backlog that provides clear revenue visibility stretching all the way out through 2028. The core thesis here revolves around a major architectural shift. As AI clusters expand exponentially, the primary challenge has pivoted away from pure raw compute power and directly toward data velocity. Traditional copper cabling is hitting its physical limits, creating massive latency issues and generating unsustainable heat. Coherent solves this by utilizing light. The company owns a massive competitive moat through its aggressive expansion of 6-inch indium phosphide wafer manufacturing, allowing them to dominate the high-margin market for 800G and 1.6T optical transceivers. Rather than betting on a single technology, they monetize the increased intensity of optics through transceivers, optical circuit switching, co-packaged optics, and advanced thermal management solutions. The financial runway is staggering. Revenue is projected to scale aggressively from $7.1 billion in fiscal 2026 to $13 billion by fiscal 2028. Concurrently, earnings per share are forecasted to skyrocket from $5.45 to $12.70, locking in an annual compound growth rate of over 50% for the next 3 years. Yet, the stock trades at a forward enterprise value to sales multiple of just 9.5 times, less than half the valuation of its closest peers. Transitioning from the internal architecture of data centers to the physical energy grids that power them, our second explosive opportunity is IREN, trading under the ticker symbol IREN. Mainstream investors are completely mispricing this stock due to a fundamental misunderstanding of its financial pivot, panicking over declining revenue that came in at $144.8 million last quarter. But that decline is entirely intentional, caused by a deliberate wind-down of low-margin Bitcoin mining. Look under the hood, and you will see that IREN's AI cloud services revenue skyrocketed by 94.2% quarter over quarter. The company is rapidly morphing into a vertically integrated AI infrastructure powerhouse. Management is targeting a massive annual revenue run rate of $3.7 billion by the end of 2026. At its current price of around $43, it trades at just 4 times that projected run rate, offering an extreme discount compared to its neocloud peers. The operational validation from tech titans is staggering. IREN has locked in a massive $9.7 billion contract with Microsoft, featuring $1.9 billion in customer prepayments to build out their 200-megawatt liquid-cooled Horizon data centers. Simultaneously, they have partnered with Nvidia to deploy up to 5 gigawatts of AI infrastructure globally, which includes a signed $3.4 billion contract for managed Blackwell cloud services. To feed this footprint, IREN is accumulating a massive fleet of 150,000 GPUs, backed by a $1.6 billion deal with Dell. Best of all, 95% of this capital expenditure is already pre-funded, thanks to a recent $3.65 billion investment closed in June and over $2.6 billion in cash. With a massive 5.8 gigawatt total project footprint stretching across North America, Europe, and Australia, IREN controls the scarcest resource in tech: power. Once you have the data centers connected by light and powered by massive energy grids, you need a way to turn that raw compute into financial returns. Which brings us to AppLovin, trading under the ticker symbol APP. While other companies focus heavily on building out physical hardware, this company represents the critical destination where enterprise software successfully converts AI infrastructure into pure cash flows. Look no further than their financial performance during the first quarter of 2026 to truly understand the scale of this operation. AppLovin generated a staggering $1.84 billion in quarterly revenue, marking a massive 59% explosion compared to the exact same period last year. More impressively, its net income more than doubled year over year, vaulting from $576.4 million to $1.21 billion in a single quarter. This hypergrowth is driven entirely by their proprietary AI advertising engine, known as the Axon Ads Manager. Axon utilizes highly sophisticated artificial intelligence to seamlessly match global advertiser demand with publisher supply through massive auctions running at microsecond speeds. Even though total installation volumes dipped by 18%, the sheer pricing power of this AI engine caused net revenue per installation to surge by a jaw-dropping 93%. Because it operates as an asset-light software business, operating costs do not scale linearly with revenue expansion. AppLovin's cost of revenue fell sharply to 11.05%, while sales and marketing expenses dropped to just 3.3% of total sales. This immense leverage pushed quarterly EBITDA up to $1.56 billion. For the full fiscal year, forward projections indicate that adjusted operating cash flow could climb to $5.56 billion, while total corporate EBITDA is expected to expand to $7.49 billion. AppLovin remains the absolute gold standard for real-world AI monetization. The AI investment landscape has fundamentally matured. Chasing the core chipmakers is yesterday's strategy. The generational wealth will be built by owning the physical, structural, and software bottlenecks that dictate the global grid. Position your portfolio exactly where the capital must flow. We will see you in the next video.